Planning to appear for NEET UG 2026? Here's your complete eligibility guide for India's premier medical entrance examination. The aspiring candidates should stay updated with the NEET official website neet.nta.nic.in for any latest updates regarding the NEET eligibility criteria 2026. To qualify, you must be at least 17 years old by December 31st, 2026. That means born on or before December 31st, 2009. There is no upper age limit as per the latest National Medical Commission guidelines. You should have passed or be appearing in class 12 with physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology and English as compulsory subjects. You can appear as many times as needed. However, your score is valid only for one academic year, specifically for the 2026 to 2027 admission cycle. Moving to MBBS. For admission to MBBS, the criteria remain class 12 with physics, chemistry and biology, a minimum of 17 years of age and at least 50% marks in PCB for general category. MBBS cutoffs are usually the highest compared to other courses. For BDS, eligibility is the same as MBBS, though cutoffs may be slightly lower. For Ayush courses including BAMS, BHMS and BUMS, eligibility also matches MBBS, but state-level domicile rules may apply. For veterinary courses such as BVSC and AH, NEET scores are mandatory with admissions done through state universities and ICAR quotas. The required qualifying percentage depends on your category. 50% for general, 45% for PWD in general, and 40% for OBC, SC or ST categories. The minimum qualifying percentage refers to aggregate marks in physics, chemistry, and biotechnology in your class 12 or equivalent examination. All candidates must also pass English as a subject, regardless of category. Now, international applicants. NRI, OCI, and foreign nationals must also meet the general category requirement, that is, 50% in physics, chemistry, and biology with English as compulsory. Required documents include passport or visa proof, an equivalency certificate from AIU, and transcripts. In India, NEET scores are valid for 1 year. For foreign medical studies, validity extends up to 3 years. During registration, you must select the correct exam code. For example, Code 1 is for students appearing in class 12, while Code 7 applies to candidates with equivalent foreign qualifications. Choosing the correct code is crucial for your eligibility verification. The minimum age is 17 by December 31st, 2026. There is no upper age limit. There are unlimited attempts, but the score is valid for only one academic year. Educational requirements are consistent across MBBS, BDS, Ayush, and veterinary courses. International candidates are also eligible with the required documents. Stay informed, prepare early, and ensure you meet all conditions before applying.